What's up, people? Welcome back to T and Shawenda's channel. I'm Shawenda. Welcome back with another mukbanger. Today I'm having some garlic chicken legs. You know, a lot of people do the wings, but I did mine with the chicken legs. They call garlic ranch chicken. See, garlic ranch chicken. This is what I'm having today, and some mac and cheese. Let me turn the plate around. And some vegetables. Okay. So, I also got some hot sauce and honey. Got that honey on deck and some hot sauce. But before we get started, let's spray with my food. Amen. How's y'all days going? How y'all doing? I got something to talk. I got something to talk about today. Let me feed my face. Look at that mac and cheese. You see that mac and cheese? And this is baked mac and cheese I had prepared today. And also I got some blue Kool-Aid. Okay. So I want to feed my face while I get started. That's real good. So, this is one of my favorite chicken. I'll put a little honey on there. I see that. But I did this, and this is my first time trying, making the ranch garlic chicken. It's good. So, let me tell y'all, I haven't even did no, I haven't even started my Christmas shopping yet. We're kind of behind on that, but we'll get to it. And the holidays come away, right? Thanksgiving is almost here. I know what I want, so I really don't do too much turkey. Turkey be too much, it be too dry to me. I eat turkey if it's deep fried turkey. Sometimes it got to be deep fried for me to eat it. You know, I usually just eat turkey all year round. I really prefer ham. Some baked glazed honey ham. After Thanksgiving, I could just make sandwich out of it. Ain't nothing like a good old ham sandwich, you know, and dressing. All I want for Thanksgiving is ham, some dressing, and some sweet potatoes. Either sweet potato or candy yam. I would prefer both, but no. So today, I just want to come on here and talk to y'all. I just want to talk to y'all today. Oh, I want to thank you for my girl, the Feasting Girl. Thank you for giving us a big shout out. We appreciate you. Much love. Ain't number love over here, man. Number love. So, let's just continue and, you know, support each other. You know, as a small YouTuber, we need that support. You know, we definitely need it. This chicken is good. So, Vegas at work. I'm just enjoying this couple of days off while I can. So I'm trying to get all my videos out to y'all while I got these couple of days off. So the holidays coming up. Everybody gonna be busy with their family and stuff. So everything good. Especially that ranch garlic chicken. Man, if y'all have not tried a garlic ranch chicken, y'all got to try it. You could buy the wings, you could buy them at Walmart, but this is homemade. I had made this from scratch. So I ain't bought this out no store or nothing. I did my own cooking. Ain't nothing like a good home cooked meal. I mean, we eat out every now and then, you know. So I want to start doing a car mukbang. That's what I want to start doing. So I tell you, I had I got a testimony to tell y'all today. So I know I've been going through some stuff for the last couple days, past week or whatever. So I have, you know, a couple friends that check up on me and see how I'm doing, and see I'm not around family members or nothing. I'm just here. Basically, I'm down here with my fiance, her people. I don't have no family down here. Just a few people that I know here. So, a lot of people ask me, when last time you heard from your family? Have you heard from them or anything like that? To tell you the truth, I really don't hear from nobody. I ain't got nobody's number. They don't have my number. You know, it all works both ways, but you always can get my number from my little sister, or, you know, it's just crazy. That's the only person I really talk to on a daily basis. We'll talk to each other probably every now and then or whatever, but you know, she got her stuff going on, and you know, basically all my family's in Wisconsin and Chicago, Wisconsin, you know, Tennessee and stuff. So I'm originally from Tennessee. So, but anyway, besides all that, my auntie and my cousin had called me. It had been over literally about 3 years. I haven't not talked to them since my mom's sister passed away. So all the sudden out the blue, they just called. So I know God knows what I'm going through right now. He knows my heart. So I'm like, wow, this is weird. I said, there ain't nothing but God. And I haven't talked to him in like 2 or 3 years. You know, that's the last time I was in Wisconsin. I went to Wisconsin for her funeral, and I stayed about a month or two, and I got with the family, and you know, everybody doing their own thing, at their separate ways and stuff. And you know, I don't have family that support me. I don't have support. And it's like I got strangers that support me more than my family do. So I've just been going through a situation with family issues and other things, and my personal issues and stuff. So it's weird how they call me right out the blue, you know. So it's weird, and I wouldn't say weird. Y'all, you know, this ain't nothing but God work. No. Right now, the Lord got his hands on me. He got his hands on me right now. And, you know, I've been through so much in life. You know, we all been through so much. My fiance, after the car wreck, you know, it's crazy. So, literally, I'm maintaining. I'm on, you know, we got our own spot. We ain't in no bull crowd, no mess or nothing. Me, I'm just a laid back person. Don't bother nobody. Don't take no BS from nobody. So, I like to keep it that way. You know, so. Chicken good. And like I said, I want to thank y'all, because right now, y'all like family to me, because y'all supporting me. Y'all supporting my YouTube, especially my fiance. She's a big supporter. She's supporting me real big. Like I said, your stranger will support you more than your own family do. No, that's sad. It's really sad, you know, because I would never thought that I would go through some stuff with family and things like that. I see, I was raised by my grandma all my life, so look at that garlic. That garlic ranch. This is good. I did this. This ain't bad for me. I'm making this for the first time. I ain't bad at all. This is a pretty good meal I hooked up today. Yeah, so y'all, y'all keep supporting me. You know, everybody see me. I got a lot of talent in a lot of different things. And I might not be that good doing certain things like video editing, but I have talents in different other things. You know, I have a lot of talent in helping people work from home, make some extra money on the side. You know, I have talent of cooking. You know, me and my fiance here, they talked about going into the cooking business, just have our own restaurant. You know, because that's all we do is cook, because this is one thing we like to do. We like to cook. You know, that's one reason why we got this YouTube channel going. So, I like to do arts and crafts, and you know, I like to do so many things. You know, I could do everything. I could multitask and just do everything all at the same time. So, you know, but hey, you only can take one day, one step at a time. You know, but so I just want to come on here and, you know, and show my face. Or if y'all ever had the garlic ranch chicken, comment below. If you haven't, just comment below. Man, this chicken, good, man. You could taste the ranch. I ain't cooked too much seasoning on the chicken. I put a little salt and pepper and garlic powder. Cause you don't want to overdo with the season. Cause you got to put your ranch flavor in there too, the garlic ranch flavor. So you don't want to mix all types of seasoning in your chicken, because you ain't gonna be able to. Cause it's gonna kind of overwhelm the meat. So, but yeah, everything was good. And definitely, I was hungry today. And you know how like you crave for something, and I don't know, I just been craving for different things for the last couple of days. And no, I'm not pregnant. I'm not about to eat no hot sauce and bananas. But that challenge we did was disgusting. It was disgusting. Very disgusting. But like I said, somebody have to be pregnant eating that. But it's nice talking to y'all. Thank you for tuning in to T and Shawenda's channel. Don't make sure you hit that notification bell, and you will be notified with a new video every time we upload. So till then, peace.